This is a 3-roll ironer line, gas-heated ironer line operating at 195 degrees Celsius. Ustek RFID has equipped it with RFID readers, giving it capability to sort linen not just by size but customer name and article type. To demonstrate this, we have assembled together a test batch in this cart where we have 2 different customers, 4 different article types, 3 of each, total of 12 articles, and 1 article that is without a chip. So we will demonstrate the machine sorting. The 1 article that is missing a chip will be discarded on this end. The rest will be sorted onto the stackers per customer and article type. We will then verify them on a table reader to show that they've been sorted properly. Here comes the article without a chip. We can start testing. Awesome. So this is king sheets from Radisson Blue. Let's take another batch. This is twin sheets from Radisson Blue. Let's test the other batches. King sheet from Gran Canaria. Twin sheet from Gran Canaria. And the one that is missing a tag. Is missing a tag, no information.